Tampa, this right here is a song I wrote. That's off my second album coming out called General Admission. This song is called A Little More. And I'm going to play it live for you right here for my amazing bandmates after this hour disco nap and see how we sound. All right. Yeah. Hey. Okay, let's go. Hey, yo, I had a dream that the world changed, and for a minute there was no pain. Instead of presidents or old saints, I heard lyrics from Kurt Cobain. Then I wake up and see the world's ill. Oceans tainted from the oil spills. How many kids have these wars killed? Huh? How many families can't afford bills? Check it. I wish that I could let the world know that it's okay to let the pain show. And even though times seem bad, hey, it always rains before the rainbow. Remember that, Roll those windows down. Feel this.
Unless you hotbox and roll them windows up.
Hey yo, now in my hood, money equals power. And in the world, money controls everything we believe in. I can see we're in our darkest hour. Cause it feels like the government just as crooked as the police. I spent the weekend catching up on the news. A girl committed suicide after she was bullied at school, cause some dudes told her she wasn't cool. But you would rather gossip about a famous person breaking the rules. I'm confused. Tell me, is my life's price worth the jewels? They two be fight night, I'm supposed to lose. Just cause in hindsight, they don't like my type. White boy with some rhythm and blues. Kills. Hey. Check it. I think we all just need a little more love. I think we all just need a little more love. Sing it with me now. 3 times. Let's go. Woo! Wake up. Tampa, hey, we just need a little more love.
That's how y'all do that right there.